Ever wondered why some offices feel like a buzzing hive of productivity, while others feel like, well, a never-ending Monday morning? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're exploring workplace and organizational psychology, the science of leadership, teamwork, and productivity. And trust me, this isn't just about offices. It's about group projects, careers, and even how teams work in everyday life. Leadership, more than a job title. Good leadership isn't about barking orders. It's about inspiring people. Psychologists have identified different leadership styles. Authoritative leaders give clear direction but also motivate. Democratic leaders value input and collaboration. Laissez-faire leaders step back and let the team take charge. Think of it like this. A great leader is less of a boss and more of a coach. Teamwork, the group project problem. Now let's be real. We've all had that group project where one person does everything while someone else just puts their name on the slide. Organizational psychology studies teamwork to prevent exactly that. It looks at how teams communicate, divide tasks, and keep everyone accountable. When done right, teamwork doesn't just share the load, it actually boosts creativity and problem solving. Productivity, more than just working hard. Here's a myth buster. Productivity isn't about working more hours, it's about working smarter. Psychologists study things like motivation, job satisfaction, and even office design to see what makes people perform at their best. Fun fact, studies show natural light and flexible schedules often make people more productive than strict deadlines and dim cubicles. Why it matters. Workplace psychology isn't just for businesses. It's for anyone who wants to work well with others, lead effectively, or avoid burnout. Whether you're managing a company, leading a study group, or planning your future career, these principles apply everywhere. So here's the takeaway. Successful organizations aren't built by chance. They're built by understanding people. Leadership, teamwork, and productivity all improve when we understand the psychology behind them. And speaking of learning, in our next episode, we'll look at educational psychology, how people learn, the best teaching methods, and what really motivates students. Check the playlist link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't. And remember, every great workplace starts with understanding people.